All right, so file saving now works. Let's go over the deltas. In the Filemob constant section, we've updated the number of steps for this task to 8. In the Filemob data section, we've made a new reentrant struct for the save box disk command. We have 3 members, the actual PNG file, the PNG file as a blob, and a download URL that's going to point to this PNG blob. In the Filemob save disk reentrant task, we've added this W variable, which references the reentrant struct. Then if we go way down here, in step index 2, we create the PNG file by taking the raw 512 by 512 bitmap and encoding it with UPNG. So it's 512 by 512, lossless encoding. It needs to be between square braces here because array of frames. In step index 3, this is now create blob. So we've kind of shuffled around our step indexes. So we're going to do new blob with the PNG file inside square braces. The MIME type is image/PNG. And then once we have this blob, we're going to create a URL with that blob by using window.url.create object URL. Then, once we have this PNG URL, we're going to assign that URL to this href on our anchor tag, and then simulate a click to open up a save file dialog box. Also, this step index has changed. Like, a lot of these step indexes have been reordered and reshuffled around. This select folder spin lock is still important, I believe. Actually, maybe it's not. Yeah. I mean, there's a whole bunch of things that need to be cleaned up. Like this section, all these sections, they really need to be cleaned up. But it works. It works. That's the first priority. Working code. We'll clean up the code in the next video. Here's what we did previously. Footnotes, some more footnotes, and what we did in this video. So if you want a tech demo, go to this playlist. You're on the short playlist. We don't have time for a tech demo. Source code is here, and you can email me here. Like and subscribe.